YouTube 2005 Neon SRT4 coming to you from Langscatter. So right now I'm about to put a dash cam, the front and rear, on the Neon. So it's gonna be, I got a hardwire kit. Plan is to I haven't mounted, I don't know. I might move the radar detector, have it mounted here. Then I'll have to run it through the A-pillar. As far as the rear camera, I can run it through the other side, this side, to the back. Or I'll just have it run to the driver's side. And I'm not sure where I want to mount the camera. I don't know. See, there's already one there. Maybe here. Right there. Or maybe up here. I don't give a fuck. I mean, yeah, I might work through there. I don't have to run it through the tail and to the tail light. So I already got the hardware kit from Amazon. Just waiting on the camera. Should be arriving today. Same kit that was used on the RAM. It's a hardware kit. So it has accessory and constant, which will use the taps there to plug in. Okay, so these are the add fuse. Here's the hardwire, goes to the camera. So yellow is constant, right? Of course, black is ground. Red is accessory. It's usually the other way around. So I gotta find these points in the fuse box. So this is the S80 dash camera, which I got from Amazon. So it has this tool, manual instructions. So this is the electrostatic tape which you attach to the windshield, and the camera attached to that, so it's easier to remove. I didn't do that the last time, so I got two of them. Of course, here's the camera. Here's a screen. Pretty nice looking. There's a button. There's the camera. Rear view camera. There's tape for the camera. Just have to figure out where to position it. This is to a cigarette lighter, which you don't need because, like I said, I have the hardware kit. I only use the mini micro fuses, which will attach to the fuse box. All right, let's get started. So I was mistaken. This actually did come with a SD card. It's 32 gig, see? But This is from the previous camera, and then I also have this, which I'll try to use instead. So apparently the SD card it came with is the only one that works, but I need to look at the manual to see exactly what I need. So I got the electrostatic tape, and I'm gonna probably put it right there, then the camera will go there. Now we're going to attach this. There's the tape. It's going to go like that. There's the front. So I'll try to position it where the camera. Oh shoot. That's good. Shoot. There. Alright. So if I need to reposition it, I can. It's working. Let's see about the back. I think you could do this. Oh yeah. This way is the correct orientation. So I have to find a place. I don't know. Maybe there. I guess I could connect it to license plate, but it'd be kind of corny. I don't know. Maybe there. Thing is, yeah, that's not gonna work. So maybe there.
Start recording a time-lapse video.
And I turn it off. Then I start recording time-lapse video.
Start recording a time-lapse video.
All right, it's working. So what it? Okay, so it's installed. I got it running through the A-pillar and to the fuse box, and it's the front, and then I have the rear output to here, to the A-pillar, right down the side, down here, under the grommet here, then underneath the carpet, and it goes finally to the camera.
Recording.
Let's see if this works. It's an upgrade for the 32 gig.